Good afternoon, my name is Jesus Garcia Alvarez. I am from Duitama. I am 17 years old. I am bachelor's degree in foreign language with an emphasis in English. Now I will talk about point 3. Here I am going to talk about the things that I like. And here I am going to talk about the thing that I don't like. I like playing video game. I am good at paint. I am interested in learning English. I am keen on reading Neck House. I am crazy about exploring the world. I am into cooking. And here, I dislike doing sport. I am not good at singing. I hate running. I can't stand dancing. I don't really care for learning much. I am not much studying. That is step 5. My routine and the routine my best friends. Um, my routine. I always do my homework early. I normally study a lot of time. I never play soccer. I sometimes cook. I usually watch movies. I seldom go to the cinema. I never drive bike. My best friend's routine. He never goes to the school. He normally goes to the gym. He always plays soccer every day. He never rides bike. He often goes to the pool. He sometimes listens to music. He likes watching movies. How similar and how different are your routine? He goes to play soccer, but I prefer to my homework. Will I watch movies? I study a lot of time, but he prefer to go to the gym. He likes to listen to music and I like to cook. We don't like to ride bike. That is step 8. I describe the picture. Um, the people are speaking, and the dog is stopping. They are sitting. They are drinking soda. The girl of black clothes is blowing. They are they are resting. Now I describe some temporary events going on my life recently. I am sometimes studying very late. My mom is reading a book for sleeping in the evening. My sister is sleeping very early. I am sometimes don't exercise. My dad is going to the beach. My friend and me are making cakes. I am painting a picture. My mom is planning her next vacation. My dad is going to the hospital. My nephew is playing soccer. Thank you very much for your attention.